Morning students, today we are discuss about advanced science 1 unit 4 electricity. Okay, now you see that electric current, the motion of electric charges through a conductor will constitute on the electric current whenever that electric charge is moving to the conductor. So that is we are telling to the electric current. Okay, wow. Through the conductor means what we are thinking, that wire, the copper wire. Okay, this is similar to that. The flow of water through a channel or flow are from region of the high pressure to a region of the low pressure. So imagine it, you are thinking to that tap water. Yeah, you are open the tap means what happened? Higher order to the low order. So the tank are full of the water, full having to the water. A tap you are open means immediately it is a flowing to that water through the pipe. Okay, wow. So that is what a higher to lower order. The same like only for the current also. Okay, so in a similar manner, the electric current passes from the positive terminal of the battery to the negative terminal through a wire. Okay, so what this means, how to we are connected means sorry, the current, the wire we are connected to that first we are the passing to the current battery of the positive. Okay, so the positive terminal, it's a flowing of the current to the battery of negative charges. Okay, so positive charges we are telling to that higher order, so negative charges we are telling to that lower order. Okay, so higher order to the lower order we are passing to the current through the wire. Okay, so next you see definition of the electric current. Okay, the electric current is a terminal as the current, and it is represented by the simple I. Okay, what I am telling means the current uடைய simple what means I, capital I. Okay, so it's a different. What is the current means? It is defined as the rate of flow of charge in the conductor. So how much of the charges flowing to the conductor, that is we are calculated, that is I. Okay, so next you see that this means that the electric current represents the amount of the charges flowing on the any cross section of the conductor in the unit. So the time, within the time it's a flowing of the current to the conductor. If a net charges, so we have to telling that is a net charges, that is represent to the capital Q. So within the time means we are denoted by small t. Okay, so next you see that the current flow through the conductor is I equivalent to Q by T. Q is a net of current, T is a time, I is a current. Okay, so next you see SI units of the electric current. So the SI unit of the electric current is a ampere. You know that you are studying the lower class ampere. So ampere, how to you are denoted? Capital A. The current flowing through a conductor is said to be the 1 ampere. Okay, so the current, within the time, how much of the current you are flowing to the conductor, that is we are telling to 1 ampere. Okay, when a charge of 1 coulomb flows across any cross section of a conductor in 1 second. So how to we are calculate 1 ampere? 1 ampere equivalent to 1 coulomb divided by 1 second. Okay, so a simple calculation. Okay, you see the one problem. A charge of 12 coulomb flow through a bulb in the 5 second. What is the current through the bulb? Okay, so now we are know that 12 charge of your 12 coulombs means what? That is a quantities. Okay, so quantity, other quantity of net charge. So that is we are taking to the Q equivalent to 12 coulomb. So time what? 5 seconds. So that what we are the current, how to we are current formula, how to we are denoted the formula I equivalent to Q by T. So for 12 by 5. So cancel means 2.4 ampere. So how much of the current flowing to the circuit? 2.4 ampere current flowing to the bulb. Okay, so now you see that here having to that one tabulation. Okay, one tabulation you see that first one the components, uses of components. Next one is a symbol. Okay, you see that this symbol, you see this symbol is here, you see clearly having you see that this one line up and down the pulse is here. This is what a resistor. This symbol means what a resistor. Okay, the practical times what they are given, the circuit given. So you only taking the apparatus, the simple you are see, and what are that one you are understood and taking the apparatus and connected. Okay, you see this simple, you see one line that pulse. This is a pulse, you know, no, the pulse. Okay, friend. So you see this is a resistor. This is a resistor. Okay. So next you see that the same like pulses, but again that the pulses up you see that one down arrow mark. This is what rheostat. So this like having another one type, you see that the pulses the crossly one arrow mark. This is also the rheostat. Okay, this is the two types of the rheostat. Ipdi pottalu rheostat da, ipdi pottalu rheostat da. Okay. Okay, so this is what a resistor. This is resistor. This is rheostat. You don't confuse. Both is a different. Both is a different apparatus. Okay. So next you see that one circle. One circle inside having A, capital A means that apparatus is a ampere. So what that ampere, that is a ammeter. That is a ammeter, the circle. A put circle panirna adu enadhu ammeter. So V put circle panirna, that is a voltmeter. G put circle panirna, that is a galvanometer. Okay, so next, so A na ammeter, V voltmeter, G is a galvanometer. Okay, so next you see this is that what one the circle, that triangle on the cross up potrupanga, one line also having. This is the diode. This is a diode. Okay, so you see this is a diode. So next one, this is a cathode. So the line on the line is a cathode. This is the anode. Cathode is a negative, anode is a positive. Okay, that like you are connected in the circuit. Okay, so next one is a glowing of diode. So arrow mark glowing of diode. Okay, so these under both we are using to that many purpose electronic apparatus we are using that. Okay, so next one you see one line and down the vertical put horizontal lines you are putting. Means what is this? This is a earth. This is a earth connected of the apparatus. That is ground connection. That is we are telling to the ground connection. Are understood? Okay. So now you see next one. You see that electrical components. The electric circuit given in the figure. The consists of the different component. So as a battery, switch, bulb. All these components can be represented by the using the certain symbol. It is easier to represent the component of the circuit using their respective symbol. Okay, so the simple we have to means you are easy to draw to the diagram. Okay, so next you see that electric potential. So what is that? Electric potential and potential difference. You see the electric potential. So what is that electrical potential? The electric potential at a point is defined as the amount of work done. The current flowing, that times it's a working done. Okay, the current flow or work panole. That is total energy we are telling to that electric potential. Moving a unit positive charges from the infinitive to that point against the electric force. Okay, so electric potential difference. The electric potential difference between 2 points is defined as the amount of work done in moving a unit positive charges from the one point to the another point against the electric force. So electric force against the current passing to the one point to the another point. This is we are telling to the electric potential difference. Okay, so okay children, thank you. Thank you, children.